Okay, I have GNU Radio installed, and I'm going to go through an initial Hello World type application to see if I can get it working. First, I'm going to open it up and pull up the GUI. In order to use USRP with GNU Radio, we need to install the UHD driver. I'm going to go to the GNU Radio website, installing from Windows, installer packages. Please find the latest installer here. UHD release 4.7. I have Windows 10. So I'm going to go, I think the difference between these is which Visual Studio they use. So I'm going to download both of them. Let's see. Yes, one is for Visual Studio 2019, the other is for 2017. Now that it's done, I'm going to run this installer. The hardware driver setup is open here. I'm just going to click next, go through all of these. And reach the system path. Open browse UHD, that's fine. Hardware, that's fine. Perfect. Now it's installing. Okay, the installation looks to be done. Okay, now that I've got the drivers installed, I'm going to open the GNU Radio companion. You can see here, if I look under the UHD driver, I can drop in a USRP source. Okay, I've been playing around here trying to get this diagram set up. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I've been looking at some videos and kind of watching some documentation. I'm able to generate the flow graph, which actually makes, down here you can see what happens. It creates this file, which I actually do have on my desktop. But when I go to run it, I get this error, syntax error, invalid decimal literal. I don't know what that means, so I'm going to look it up. I'm going to try this in LabVIEW, which is something I'm more familiar with. I'm going to open a new window here. I'm going to find the examples for these. I think it's in instrument drivers. It's USRP. Examples. Modulation. Scan. Open that up. 192.168.0.30. 8.7. Station I listen to most here. Looks promising. Okay, yeah, so that is working. So that's definitely my... Okay, so that is definitely my address. Let's see what's going on here then. I'm gonna resort to Google. Oh, I think I got it right. Address equals. I think. Okay, I think let's try this. Address equals. Maybe R equals. Okay, so I've been playing around with this, trying to get it to play the audio correctly or give me some type of signal. There's something in here that I'm like not understanding about why it's working the way that it is. But all things considered, I was able to get some audio sound. I've got settings not correct, but overall I was able to get like a, overall I was able to get sort of a hello world state for USRP in GNU Radio. So I've got it reading, it's connected, I'm doing some stuff. It's not the right stuff, it's not the stuff that I want to do, but yeah, it's at least giving me something and it's working and I'm connected and collecting data. So, and for that, I'm going to stop here and I'll pick it up at another spot later.